The behind the ear, it just always does it for me. Like, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna call my boyfriend, see if he like my hair. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is another wig video. Today is another wig video. You know I love y'all know I love my synthetic wigs. Oh my gosh, it's another Sensational Butta Lace wig. These are my favorite synthetic wigs. I know the hair is good. I know the lace is good. I love the colors they have. So yeah. I don't remember how much this costs, but it is from Amazon. I've been really wanting some curly hair, like 28-30 inches of just beautiful, juicy virgin bundles. But I'm poor. This unit is Butta Unit 3, color T4 Golden Brown. I don't know how long this is. It doesn't look like it's like a lace front. It looks more like a part. Ooh, I almost fell off my chair. It looks more like a parting lace. This is the baby hairs. It's kind of plucked. Ooh, I don't know about this, y'all. I'm nervous. I'm always nervous though, and it always comes out kind of cute. Not even kind of cute. It's not real cute. I don't know why I'm talking like that. This wig definitely needs some fluffing, cause yeah. So, yep, just like the box. It's just baby hair and middle part. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and then of course the straps. So the first thing I'm gonna do is color this lace with my Fenty Beauty foundation. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off. There you go, you can kind of see it. I'm looking at it though, the part is kind of thin. Should I pluck the part? Once you pluck it, there's no going back for real, but it could be a lot thinner. I'm gonna pluck the part. So the part goes back pretty deep. You see, you could see kind of where I stopped. Oh, can you? There's that space right here that I could keep going. But I'm not. Because I don't want to ruin this wig. I really like this wig. I really want some curly, long hair, and I just want it to be cute. Pretty snug. Pretty snug. I'll make sure I don't got no hairs stuck in the wig. It definitely needs some fluffing. Let me see how I look in the mirror. It's not bad though. The part is pretty deep. I could live with this. It's laying flat right here, but it's kind of rising the further it gets back. How do I fix that? Okay, so I'm gonna fluff it out a little bit. Fluffs out nicely. And I'm not even like really combing my fingers through it. I'm literally just rubbing the hair. Literally just pulling on the hair to just loosen it up some. Yeah, I like this wig. I feel like the camera not doing it justice. Oh my god. But it's really cute. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. What that girl say? Give me peso. Extendo. see? You see that hole? Yeah. Yeah. I wish the ends were more like swirls than S's, but it's okay. It's not, like I said, it ain't virgin. It's synthetic, so you get what you pay for. So I don't want to go too crazy on the baby hairs. I'm really not even finna do a whole bunch of gluing. I should have got ready and then did this video. So when my video was done, my hair would just be done. But now I gotta go do my hair, then get in the shower. Do I really want to pause this video right now and get in the shower? I think I'm gonna pause this video and get in the shower. Okay, I'm back. Took a shower, brushed my face, you know, did all that good stuff. I'm not gonna really glue it because I don't think I'm gonna be wearing it for that long today. I'm gonna gel it down though. Where's my gut tea? I'm gonna use this to glue it down. But yeah, these girls are cute. This is pretty cute. I'm gonna just put it right here. Put it right here. Ooh, like make my forehead look even bigger when I do it like that. I know my forehead big already, but dang. But I'm gonna do my edges with this so it can really hold, you know. Don't judge my edge brush. I know it's filthy. It's just, the brush works better the more like used it is. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna swoop it just so it shows about this many edges. And I'm gonna do like this. These are my own baby hairs. Well, not baby hairs, but edges. Okay, I feel like that's good enough. And that's the look. So, this is just like, I don't think I need to do it again because I still feel like there's like glue residue. This is wet because I was putting witch hazel on it, trying to get the glue off. But y'all see how his lace is looking? The behind the ear, it just always does it for me. Like, I don't know what it is. This lace eats. I mean, you can see right here, but it's like, cause I'm like this close and it's like the camera and all that, but like back up, it's cute. I haven't shown y'all the length yet. So, it actually goes to my butt. Yeah, I'm wearing a Grinch onesie. So the middle touches my butt. It's kind of like this, but it is some shedding. I think that's because of my plucking. I'm gonna just say that's the reason, because it's synthetic. I mean, and I'm not combing this. I'm literally just kind of like rubbing it to fluff out the curls. Cause I don't know, I've never had synthetic hair like this before. Hopefully this lasts, because curly synthetic is a lot better. But I really like this hair. This might be my favorite. This might be my favorite, because y'all know I like curly hair. I don't really like all the straight and the spiral curls. Like, I like spiral curls, like natural spiral curls. Like if these ends was to curl. I'm gonna cut this. If these ends was to curl, that would be great. But I mean like hot curl. I don't know the word for them, but like those big, you know, curls that you do with like a hot iron or a flexi rod or whatever. I'm talking about these natural Malaysian, Brazilian curly curls. That's what I like. The more natural look. I forgot what I was talking about. Anyway, the hair is really cute. I would buy this again. I might try a different color. You know, New Year's is coming up. I like this. So yeah, I'm gonna put the price in the title and in the description probably. What else do I say? It was easy. It was definitely easy to work with, because it's just this lace, and then here it's not too much lace. It's pretty beginner friendly. The edges, half of these edges is mine. Like right here is more mine. This is like the wig's edges. This is mine. So yeah, I'm finna go to this little party, and yeah, I'm finna call my boyfriend, see if he like my hair. Okay, yeah, make sure you guys like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. The queen of synthetic wigs. I'm claiming it. I know there's a lot of other YouTubers out there that do the same thing, but like, which one of them is named is like Candy though? None of them. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go party. Bye.